Hi, today's recipe is cucumber yogurt curry, which is made simple with very less spices. It can be made in many ways with yogurt, coconut, or a combination of both yogurt and coconut. This curry can be made very quickly, but it can be a little tricky if you're not careful. Many has the experience of splitting of yogurt while cooking, and the main reason is the temperature. There are few things to be taken care. Always reduce or switch off the heat before adding the yogurt. Always add yogurt at the end of the cooking. Do not boil the curry with the yogurt. If you take care of these things, the dish is really easy and delicious to serve with rice. I have used the cucumber with the peel since it is a homegrown one. You may use it with or without the peel. So let's see the recipe. I have used 3/4 cup of water here, and the curry is runny consistency. You can adjust the amount of water, 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup to get thick consistency.